On our bill of fare today, we have crispy, delicious fish, and trust me, you will love it. Let's get right into it. So I have my yellowtail snapper or yellow snapper. Okay, it is another species of red snapper. Okay, now I have made some incisions. I am just going to add my lemon juice to it and then clean this very well. So we have tilapia fish as well there, and we are going to fry that one as well. I will go ahead and then add some water to it and then clean this fish very well. If today is the first time here, this is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. Trust me, you will love it here. So please do not make it the last time of visiting. Please subscribe or follow for more videos. And on YouTube, do not forget to click on the bell icon that says all. So I have added my salt and then my all-purpose seasoning to the fish. I will allow that to stay for some time, about 30 to 40 minutes, and after that I will be with you. So this is how it looks. My returning subscribers or followers, thank you so much for always spending some quality time with me. Okay, I mean sharing some of your time with me here. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful. Please do not forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. After 40 minutes, I will just go ahead and strain the water from it, and I place everything on my fish rack or my kitchen rack. Allow it to dry a bit before we proceed. In my cooking pot, I will just pour my oil, and you can use any oil of your choice. Okay, I'll put some oil in there and then heat it very well before we start. On the other hand, I have my flour here. We are going to coat the fish with that. You can use all-purpose, soft or hard flour. You are good to go. Or bread crumbs. Okay, you can as well use your corn flour to do that. Yeah, but I think if you use the hard, soft or all-purpose flour, that will make it look presentable. In case you don't want to coat it with anything at all, you are good to go. That will also look good and it will taste good. The flour does not add or subtract any taste from the fish. So I'll just start frying and then we are good to go. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you. Have you subscribed? Have you followed? If you haven't, please do so for me and I will be very grateful. Now the fire under the fish is not very high, okay, and it is not low as well. It is on medium heat, and that is going to help us to get that perfect fish we are looking for. As you can see, it looks good. Now I am just going to flip it to the other side and we are good to go. We are not going to stress ourselves on it because we are doing deep frying but not shallow frying. Okay, yes, now our fish is ready and just look at how crispy and perfect it looks. Yes, I'll remove that from the oil, allow it to be on the paper towel or in the colander. Pair this with anything that you want to, and trust me, it was so nice and very delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, please do not forget to take good care of yourself, eat very well, and I will see you in the next one. So this is what we paired the fish with. Okay, we paired it with our kinky and it was so nice. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye bye.